Does that voice in your head ever sound like your harshest critic? You know? The one that says, I can't do this? Or I'm not good enough? It's exhausting, right? What if I told you there's a way to transform that inner critic into your biggest cheerleader? It all starts with one powerful idea: self-compassion. Now, this isn't about ignoring your flaws or pretending everything is perfect. It's about treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding you'd offer a good friend. Think about it. When a friend messes up, you don't berate them. You probably say something like, hey, it's okay. You did your best. Let's figure this out together. So why do we say such harsh things to ourselves? Let's try a quick exercise. The next time that negative voice pops up, I want you to pause and do 3 simple things. First, just notice the thought without judgment. Acknowledge it's there. Okay, I'm having the thought that I'm going to fail this presentation. Second, remind yourself that this is part of being human. Everyone feels doubt and insecurity sometimes. You're not alone in this feeling. This common humanity is a key part of self-compassion. Finally, and this is the most important step, offer yourself some kindness. You can literally talk to yourself in a gentle tone. Say something like, this is really stressful, and it's understandable to feel nervous. I'm going to prepare as well as I can, and that's all I can do. You can even try a physical gesture, like placing a hand over your heart. It sounds a little silly, but this physical act of comfort can actually calm your nervous system. Let's break it down again. Notice the thought. Remember our shared humanity, and then be kind. Mindfulness, common humanity, and self-kindness. These are the 3 pillars of self-compassion. Practicing this isn't about flipping a switch overnight. It's a skill you build over time, like strengthening a muscle. The more you consciously choose a compassionate response over a critical one, the weaker that inner critic becomes. It starts to lose its power. ULL, begin to notice that you'll be more resilient when things go wrong and more confident when you're retrying something new. Instead of being driven by fear of failure, you'll be motivated by a desire to learn and grow. Replacing that inner critic with compassion doesn't just make you feel better, actually helps you perform better. You're giving yourself the support you need to succeed. So, start today. The next time you catch yourself in a negative thought spiral, take a breath and try being a friend to yourself. You deserve that kindness. For more tips on nurturing your inner world and building a healthier mindset, make sure you subscribe to our page at VoiceWithin. Thanks for watching, and remember to be kind to yourself.